we have some leftover Alfredo sauce that we put on top of some Mr. Noodle earlier. We're going to have some pierogies with Alfredo sauce on them, some asparagus, and Beyond Meat Italian sausage. I keep looking over there because that's where the ingredients are. Asparagus, we're going to put some onion in with the pierogies. We have the pierogies and a mild Italian Beyond sausage. We're just gonna throw this together. Nothing special. So I got some water, just about boiling. Gonna drop the pierogies in there for a couple minutes. Beyond sausage in the frying pan with some onions. Get that in there now. May as well. Gonna get a little bit of oil in there. Gonna drop the pierogies here in the boiling water. Pot's kind of small for the number of pierogies I have, but it'll work. Let's put the asparagus in the pan with it. The asparagus is a little past its prime. Pierogies take about 5 minutes boiling or until they float. If they're stuck to the bottom of the pot, they're not going to float well. I'm actually going to put a little bit of steak spice on that, which doesn't have steak in it. I made it across to Vancouver Island yesterday. I'm just outside of Port Alberni tonight. Head to Tofino tomorrow. My birthday. Maybe sit on a beach. Did you forget to get me a present? You can subscribe down there if you haven't already. That'd be great. So I'm just going to grab a bowl. Going to drain off these pierogies. Put them in the bowl. close to half of what the leftover Alfredo sauce was. So probably about a third of what the recipe I made. I'm gonna add a little bit more almond milk just to thin it out some. Yummy. I keep tasting it and it keeps tasting good. It's a little smoky in here. I needed to take the smoke detector down before it woke the deer or bears. So we got some pierogies. We got some asparagus. Let's get these onions. Looking a little charred, but they're tasty. We get some Alfredo sauce on the pierogies. Oh, let's get some on the asparagus too. Well, here, it's supposed to go sideways. And then cool. So here we have some Ukrainian pierogies, just garlic and potato in these. They're vegan pierogies, no cheese, no bacon, nothing like that. They're made by Chimo. Here's dinner. Yes. Oh, a little more pepper. Never enough pepper. Right? Here we go. Alfredo sauce round 2.